A clever cat named Whiskers stalked a small, quick mouse named Pip. Pip darted through tiny holes, always staying just out of reach. Whiskers pounced, but Pip dodged every time. One day, Pip offered Whiskers a deal. "Let's be friends, not foes." Surprised, Whiskers agreed. From that day on, they shared crumbs and warmth, finding peace in their unexpected friendship.